I'm at the Bingham school today. I got a signal about a quarter, about 6 inches deep. Started digging and it started getting bigger. And what we have here, pretty sure, is a Bingham school buckle. And the target is deep. See the side of the hole, that mark. And this stick, it's about a foot deep. 10 inches, 11 inches, something like that. I'm going to prise it out of there. Looks like it's in really good condition. And there's a chance that it might not be a belt buckle as well. Something brass. The belt buckles are rounded like that. I believe I just figured it up. I believe it is going to be a buckle. Yep. You see? It's my second Bingham school belt buckle. I'm very excited about that. Can't wait to get it cleaned up.